Ona thengi wa gukorwo kaunti ya Vihiga ni kumwe gwa kuria gukoragwo na buthi wa irio wa kumakania ni ati ni imwe ya kaunti iria igumirwo ni thina wa mĩrimũ ya kũmoca mĩrĩ kuri ciana na atumia arito na aciari.
And Vihiga is number 21 behind Turkana. You saw the situation in Turkana County just recently during the hunger period. Vihiga is a very food secure county. Why are we having almost a quarter of our children stunted?
Niguo kuhitana na thina uyu, kaunti ino ni ruguritie mutaratara wa gutereba honge cia ugima wa mwĩrĩ na nyititemi angi niguo gutaukwo icigo na matura maria magumirwo makiria na njira iria ikihuthika kwambatiria ikiro cia mirire miega.
Now, this policy will be key or a key tool to ensure implementation of health and nutrition activities, and also as a tool of resource mobilization.
We also have a process of forming a bill so that even without us who are here, this particular policy, its objectives will remain anchored in the systems of Vihiga.
Aciari ni marathingatwo gutigirira ciana ni ciongithio itegutigithirio mieri 6 ya mbere kuona iria riri rikoragwo rikuite indo nyingi cia bata cia guteithiriria mwana gukura na gwitiria mĩrimũ itiganite.
Why don't half of our mothers breastfeed properly? It is free, it is readily available, they just need education.
About 97 million annually, because we have not addressed the issue of nutrition of our population. So it's very important, and if we extrapolate that to the country, you will see billions of shillings we are losing.
Oho Gavana Otichiro augite thirikari ya kaunti ino ni ihotorete gutangikira ciĩgie mĩrĩre miega na ni kurutithania wira na ikundi citari cia gĩthirikari kugacirithia na kwambatiria ikiro cia mĩrĩre miega. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Geto Wangari Maria wa Mũigana.